In this video, I'll detail how to fix iPhone settings name grayed out on iPhone. You see this? The settings name is grayed out. As such, my iCloud is also grayed out. So you cannot click this and I cannot click this. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone settings name grayed out or your iPhone iCloud name grayed out. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, when your iPhone iCloud is grayed out or when your name on your iPhone settings is grayed out, is go to your iPhone settings. Then if you try to click on the name, you can see it is not clickable. Now scroll down and go to screen time and then click on that. Now once you selected screen time, make sure screen time is turned on, and of course if screen time is not enabled, the iPhone settings name will not be grayed out. So go to screen time. On the screen time page, you want to scroll down and click on content and privacy restrictions. Now if content and privacy restrictions is disabled, make sure this is enabled so that you'll be able to edit what you have on the content and privacy restrictions page. Now once you enable content and privacy restrictions, scroll down until you get to allow changes to and locate account. Click on that. Now once you click on account, tap allow. If this is set to don't allow, make sure you set it to allow, then come back. Then you should see this page still grayed out, right? Then you should see the iPhone settings name grayed out fixed, and if you scroll down as well, you should see the iCloud grayed out on your iPhone fixed. So this is how you can basically fix name on the iPhone settings grayed out or your iCloud grayed out on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.